Excuse me, Kaiser Cats. We have two representatives from the San Bernardino County Superintendent of Schools to discuss the Williams Act.
Thank you, Principal A+. And excuse the interruption in your class, Mr. Waltz. We'll be as brief as we can. Class, my name is Sharon Burla, and as you heard, I'm with County Schools, and I have with me today Veronica Robledo. And our job is to make sure that everybody has a textbook for this class that's been assigned by your school board. It's aligned with the California state standards. And to make sure that your classroom is clean and neat and a school's a place where you can learn. The first thing we need to do is verify the number of students in this class. Mr. Waltz, do you have any students that are absent today?
One.
One is absent, okay. And this class period is biology?
Yes, ma'am.
Great, thank you. And how many students are enrolled in this class?
Can I check that?
Absolutely.
31.
31, okay. And I see that most of the students do have a textbook. This is the book for this class?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Ms. Robledo, while I count the number of students, would you please verify that the textbook has the correct book title, publisher, and edition as listed by the school district? Okay. Mr. Waltz, I need to verify that each student has been assigned a textbook for use at home. Okay? Okay. And students, everyone here, if you have your book either with you in class or you have it at home, could you please raise your hand?
I don't have one. I was told that I can't get my book for this class until I return my books from last year.
Okay. I want to talk to you for just a moment. So if you could step aside, and Mr. A+, if you could join us.
Sure.
Thank you. And while I'm doing that, if you could again check the number of students, I'd appreciate it.
All right.
If you don't have a book for this class, it's because you haven't turned in other books?
Right.
Okay. It is important that you kind of settle up with the school. If you have a book that's been missing or something, and the school will help you make those arrangements. But in the meantime, we want to make sure that you have a book for this class so that you don't get behind.
And that's definitely not a problem. The library's already aware, and the librarian is ready to issue any books that you're missing. So we're going to send you right now to go right down there and get your book.
Oh, thank you.
Okay,
All right.
appreciate that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we have verified all but one student have been assigned a book, and that student has been sent to the library for replacement.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Waltz, we need to talk to the department chair about science lab equipment.
That would be me.
Excellent. Can you tell us if the science lab has enough materials for the students to do their labs?
Yes.
Okay,
Yep.
great, great. And I see a number of microscopes that are in this room. Do you have microscopes in other classrooms, or are these the ones for the school? In
No,
other
we have
rooms as well?
We have them available for all the science teachers.
Okay, great. Your department submitted a science lab worksheet, and I would like you to just, as the chair, look that over and see if that looks correct to you, and if so, you can sign.
Okay.
Fabulous. Okay, we appreciate you letting us come to visit your class, and it looks like all your students have what they need to do well. So thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you, class, for your attention, and sorry for the disruption.
Thank you.
Okay, Veronica, here we are in their science lab, and here is the worksheet that the science chair has checked off. We did see those microscopes in the classroom already. Let's see, I see some beakers, and let's see if this seems to match. That looks okay. Scales, good, good. Let's see about the chemicals. Oh, good. The cabinet is locked, so they need to have any chemicals locked, so that's good. What do you think about all of these stacked up here?
Right, I'm definitely going to write that up for the stools. They're just stored too high, along with these ones over here.
Earthquake hazard?
Yes, definitely. So we can definitely mention that in our debrief.
And that would be very easy for them to fix, I think, as well. Okay.
Okay.
I think we're ready to move on.